Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a cubism-inspired piece featuring striking gold accent, perfect for adding a modern and artistic touch to your space. Let's begin by gathering the materials we'll need. A canvas, or if you're looking for a more affordable option, pressed cardboard works just as well. A pencil for sketching, black, white and gold paint, a round brush and a flat brush, painter's tape, a ruler, and acrylic paint markers. I will be using black and white. With all our tools ready, let's jump into the first step. Start by sketching the layout for your sections using your pencil and ruler. This sketch will act as a guide helping you divide the canvas into neat geometric shapes. You can see the initial lines are drawn here to give you an idea of how it should look. Now, let's move on to the painting the first section black. At this point, I don't use painter's tape right away, but you will see me bring it in soon because it really helps create those sharp, clean edges. Use your flat brush for this step as it is perfect for filling large areas smoothly. If any paint happens to bleed under the tape, don't worry, we can always touch it up later with the same white paint. Once the first section is painted, we'll move on to the next one. Follow the same process. Apply painter's tape carefully along the edges to maintain clean lines and then paint the section black. Be sure to let everything dry completely before continuing, as this will ensure the colors don't mix or smudge. For the central section, repeat the taping process, ensuring the tape is evenly spaced to create consistent line thickness. Fill the area with black paint and again allow it to dry before moving on. Now let's enhance the design by adding more lines using the same technique. Once all the sections are painted and the tape has been removed, you might notice some smudges or pencil marks left behind. Simply use white paint to touch it up and go over any visible pencil lines with an eraser. Great! Let's add some extra detail using acrylic paint markers. These markers are fantastic for creating clean, sharp lines and adding interesting elements to your composition. Use a ruler for precision. Draw two corner lines with both black and white markers to give the piece more depth and structure. If you feel inspired, you can experiment by adding additional corners or shapes to give the design more character. It's time to bring the gold paint for some added elegance. I'm using a pouring technique paint for this step, but you can achieve a similar effect by mixing regular gold paint with a bit of water to get the right consistency. The paint should be thick enough to flow slowly, but not too runny that it loses control. Simply let the gold paint flow naturally, creating an organic effect that draws the eye. After the paint has stopped running, let it dry completely. For the final step, take your round brush and use the gold paint to create a thick square. I aligned mine with the two upper lines of the design to keep everything cohesive. You can adjust the thickness of the square to suit your taste. I will be adding another smaller square inside the first one, although one thick square would look great too. Apply a couple of layers to make the gold really stand out, and then let everything dry again. And there you have it. This bold and modern piece is now complete, and it's ready to brighten up any room with its clear lines and shimmery gold accent. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.